Question 130. The vagus nerve. It arises from the oblongata. Here you have the vagus nerve. This is glossopharyngeal nerve. This is accessory nerve. So you have the vagus nerve from the posterolateral sulcus, inferiorly to the glossopharyngeal nerve. It leaves the cranial cavity through the jugular foramen. Here it has superior and inferior sensory ganglia, and it continues down between the internal carotid and the internal carotid artery and internal jugular vein, and continues down following the internal jugular vein and internal carotid and then common carotid artery. And then on the left side it goes around, after it enters the thoracic cavity, it descends in front of the aortic arch on the left side and the subclavian artery on the right side. Then the nerve accompanies the esophagus and enters the abdominal cavity through the esophageal hiatus of the diaphragm. Now for the branches. Firstly, it gives off a meningeal branch, then an auricular branch, then you have a pharyngeal branch, a superior laryngeal branch, and then you have a superior and inferior cervical cardiac branch, superior and inferior cervical cardiac branch, and thoracic cardiac branch for the heart. Here it goes to the cardiac plexus. And then we have the laryngeus recurrens on both sides. And the recurrent laryngeal nerve gives off tracheal fibers and also esophageal fibers. And then we have esophageal branches, bronchial branches, and further down we have gastric branches, hepatic branch, celiac branches, and also a renal branch. And the celiac branch continues into the vagal fibers that goes to the one half of the intestines. And then we also have a gonadal branch that accompanies the testicular and ovarian arteries down to the testes and ovaries.